This is 6-string bass guitar made by the company called Nugs and Blackie out of Germany. I think it's one Russian guy, one German guy, and they decided to make these high-end custom instruments. Anyway, it's nice zebra gold active electronics, and that was the it's also headless. It has tuners in the back here, and here just the 6-string holder. So the customer wants me to redo this 6-string guitar to make it 5-string bass guitar, and he has a new part from them. She has 5 strings, holder with 5 holes, and I'm supposed to install it, space the strings evenly, and reinstall all the bridges. Bridges are individual with adjustments and tuning heads right here in the back. Alright, so the first thing I have to do is to plug all the holes from the old screws, including here. And first thing, I'm going to install the top end, and then I will have to do the nut and install the tuners and do alignment and see what happens. Let's begin. The top piece is installed. And now I'm ready to proceed with plugging these little nasty holes. Okay, after I install everything in a line, I have to take care of the ground wire here also. Make sure the ground, the circuit ground, is connected to the strings. Okay, good. Now I have to line everything all the time. Make sure everything's nice and go to see later. All tuners installed, and now I'm gonna just double check the ground connection between string 1 and circuit ground. That's fine, perfectly good. Proceed to next step. So here I'm on stage of fitting the nut. Looks good for now.
Okay, let's try to tune it up and see how it behaves. Oh boy. Tricky, tricky, everything is tricky. Okay. Let me plug it in. Plug it here. G. Good enough. D. Good enough. A. There you go. E. Good enough. And B. I think it's, okay, shorter. It's on the verge of collapse. Come on, B. Here we go. All right.
Lower string is pretty floppy, but I might need to adjust the bridge now. So that's how the 5-string bridge looks now. One unit was removed. It's 5 separate bridges, which is pretty nice. And the way to adjust it is also very versatile. You can move side to side a little bit the saddle to make the spacings very even between strings, and also it has adjustable height, and of course the scale adjustment for the perfect intonation. And that's how it looks now, and it's supposed to be in tune. Active electronics. Let's see what's inside of this beauty.
Oh, goed. Hoppa.
Beauty. What we got here? Gregory preamps. That's what we got here. Bunch of wires, deep switches, some sort of adjustment, trim pot, and so on and so forth. Handcrafted in Poland. All right. Handcrafted and epoxy potted for you guys not to be able to open it ever. Okay. Let's close this baby down.